This particular bathroom, I had to do some floor repair just because they had brick cup underneath the carpet. So took some floor repair cement, floor repair patch, and tried to bring it level up where the brick is. I cut a piece of wood in around here and cut it to fit so it would raise up ½ inch so the floor would be somewhat level with the other brick. Still a little bit down, but made a little slope there, so it shouldn't be that bad. I think it'll flow just nicely. Toilet's out, so just waiting on that floor to get laid in, and this will be a done deal in here.